we've got some moisture. It's almost like condensation, but it's a little bit worse than it should be in this blinker and corner marker light. If you look across the top here, there is a little bit of warping through here that has compromised the seal. So what I'm going to do is get this moisture out and then seal that up. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. Alright, now to get the moisture out of here, it's not really a complicated thing. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer, and you're just going to heat up the air and push it straight through. If you're using a heat gun, be careful. I have accidentally melted the plastic on these a couple of times over the years, getting it out. And all you're really doing is warming it up in there and circulating the air, blowing it out. And you get over here and you kind of heat it up. It's going to take you 10 or 15 minutes or so. It is a lot better now. It is ready to go back in the truck. Eventually I'll have to do something about why it's so cloudy, and that's just basically resurfacing it because the UV coating on it has gone cloudy. But that'll be a different video.